Hello everyone, myself Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. Today my topic is Big Data Management. This is my agenda of today's lecture. What is big data? The big data usually refers the data stores characteristics by three words: high volume, high velocity and wide variety. Big data management is broad concept that emanates of policy, procedure and technology use the collection, storage, governance, organization, administration and delivering the large responsibilities of data. It can include data cleaning, migration, integrations and preparation of any analytics. This is our cycle how we use. First we collect the data, then assure, then describe, then preserve, then discover, then integrate and analysis and the plane. Big data analysis and big data analysis. What is the traditional analytic difference and big data analysis? Focus on description analysis and diagnostic analysis. Then big data analytics is predictive analysis and data science. Data sets, limited data sets, cleanse, simple notes. Large scale of data set, more types of data, raw data and complex data. Supports what happened and what why, correlation, news site and more accurate. Big data user cases, data recovery, real-time intelligence, business reporting. Big data analyst refers architectures, how it use volume, sources and architecture data, extended rationals, non-relational and hybrids. Big data, how we workflow is given by data extraction, data integration, big data management, then data mining and visualization and then applications. These are the big data analytics. We use small healthcare, homeland, traffic control, manufacturing, multi-channel sales, telecom, trading analytic and search quality. Objective of how we use data analytics: characteristic of volume, data, velocity and variety. The typical PC might have 10 gigabyte of storage in 2000. Today Facebook insert 5 terabyte of new every day, and Boeing 70 generate 240 terabytes of fighting during single flight across Europe. Second characteristic is velocity, which claims stream and end process capture using behavior of million average per second. High frequency stock trading algorithm reflect market chances and machine to machine process exchange between billions of the drive, and infrastructure and seasonal generate massive long time. Third character is variety. Big data isn't just number of data of string. Big data is also geographical data, 3D, audience, video and unstructured text including folks, time and media. Traditional database system was slightly to address a smaller volume of structured data, fewer updates and predictable consistent data analysis. Big data analysis include the types of data. These are the main characteristics of a big data analysis. We complete today's chapter. Thank you.